back with, because he got high, oh, I don't need to show it. It was a seal case. Wayne and his son in the store just bought one of these. So, got 9 left. Perfect. Oh, I didn't think about it. One of that ball might go in here.
Yeah, maybe. Does it go with those cards or by itself?
It goes with the cards. It'll be close. I don't know. One on top, 9 on bottom. Number 10. Number 7. 11. 1 and 7. 1 on top. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left over. Oh, you got it, dog. 1 to 7 left over. 2014, digging the Gypsy Queen. Oh yeah. Friday night and the lights are low. What do you do with Monty Grip? I was giving them away to anybody that purchased this year, as long as you pay shipping. All right, we have Jordan Navarro and Deontay Foreman jersey autograph. Vic Beasley. You're just looking for numbered and hits. Numbered to 299, Max Scherzer for Scherzer. Oh well, no hits in the chronic. Okay. He got this, Vanessa. Game used logo, man. 1 of 1 by Jose. Oh, you got it, Monty Grip. Friday's the last day, Jason. I'm breaking to Friday. Then I'm going to clean out the store and get everything situated in Pinehurst, and probably come back and set up some sort of room in the house to do some sort of breaks there. Is probably what will happen. I'm going to have to get situated and see what's going on. Just looking for numbered, which I believe are all backwards. No, not in this. That's in hoops. Hoops, they're all backwards. In this, they can be forwards. Just base. Base rookies and inserts, I should say. Oh, they are backwards. Numbered to 99, Jeremy Lin. Red. Mike Conley. Press proof. That's not numbered though, but it was backwards. Jamal Crawford, press proof, $2.99. Yeah, I think all the numbered are backwards. This and hoops, they put them backwards if you get numbered or a hit. Oh, there's a nice card. Josh Hart, numbered to 75, relic autograph. Nice Laker to get, young and up-and-coming superstar. Josh Hart. Him, Kuzma, Ball. They got all kinds of talent building over there. They're only 15 years away from their next NBA championship. Joe Johnson, numbered to 199. He's the worst of the three, yeah. Kuzma being the best. Then Ball. Then Josh Hart. Okay. De'Aaron Fox, $2.99 press proof rookie. Oh yeah, if LeBron goes to the Lakers, they could win in 3 years. Alright. They could possibly win in 3 with LeBron. Dig in the Gypsy Queen. It's Monday night and the lights are low. Just base minis. Check the backs. Yep, just base minis. Someone get that last spot, Gens? Let me check. Well, damn, Barry wants this break to go. Barry said, I'll take it. Barry, you got it. Time is it? 5:30. Good Lord, everybody. Well, Barry, since you got the most, I'm hoping you hit something big, man. I hope everybody hit something big, but Barry did get 3. What's up, Rob Base? How you doing, man? Checking in from where in Tennessee? Mike Minor. Jersey. Is that numbered? Yep, 199. Bartolo Cologne. Speaking of cologne, that was a lot of cologne in here a minute ago. Alan Webster. Billy Hamilton. I don't know why that's backwards. Carpenter.
You said these cards go with this ball, right?
This is who you were looking for, right? Masahiro Tanaka? I'll put it in your stack. It's not numbered. Huh?
You said these cards go with the ball, right?
Yeah. James Shee?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jonathan Pettibone. Greg Maddux. Not numbered though. Sonny Gray. Not numbered though. Steve Carlton. Numbered to 499. Evan Longoria. Red. Not numbered. Anthony Rendon. 199. Miguel Cabrera, Reggie, and base. Vanessa. Sonny Gray, not numbered. Johnson City. Trying to remember if I've been to Johnson City. Eric, you ever been to Johnson City? Tennessee. Are you from Tennessee? You're the only 10 I see. Will Middlebrooks, numbered to 50. Fergie Jenkins, 199 black. Billy Butler, just a mini. Desmond Jennings. Ben Revere. His brother was Paul. We have any hits left in this box? Chris Davis, $4.99 blue. Puig. Verlander. Alex Reyes. Desmond Jennings. You got a framed relic. Duke Snyder. Ray Boggs. Cole Hamels. And a red David Ortiz. Round 2. Oh, gotcha, Jason. What you do when you open this, you want to see the whole card, the one card, then it's like a button or something. Just the minis. Okay. Look clear? Steve Gins. Oh, yeah, Derek, what did you mean Vegas was taxing you? Oh. Well, they do that to a lot of people. What, did you go sit down in the 5-10 game the other night? The list is that long for 5-10? What casino? Aria? Yeah, they do, Steve. The packs don't rip as easy. Willie, come what mays. Manny Machado, 199 black. Harvey. Manny of Gonzalez. Clayton Kershaw. Manny of Rizzo. CC Sabathia, 499 blue. Oh, gotcha, Derek. John Lester. I always thought that would be a fun thing to do. Deal cards. I open cards now. I always thought it would be fun to deal them. You know, when people get pissed when they got all their money in and the guy hits the 1 hour, they can take their 2 cards and sling them into your chest. Like it's the dealer's fault. I always thought that would be a fun thing to do. Eric Davis. Stanton. Derek Holland. Alex Korn on the Cobb. A Cobb relic. Wainwright. David Ortiz. Torrey Hunter. Goldschmidt. Long break here. We're going to do that baseball next, guys, the mixer. Straws. Dustin Pedroia, 499 blue. James Shields, jersey. Joe Madden did that? Steve? Bo Jackson, 199 black. And the last chunk. Matt Williams. Autograph. Billy Hamilton. Dropping Hamiltons. Cal Ripken black, the 199. Just a red. Actually, there we go. And base. Okay. Got a lot of cards here. Matt Williams, 2014. James Shields jersey. Alex Cobb jersey. Derek Holland. Desmond Jennings jersey. Pettibone. Webster. Minor jersey. Your basketball, number /75, Josh Hart, rookie jersey autograph. Your football, Deontay Foreman, jersey autograph. So in your little 2-pack lot high, you did get a hit. Thanks as always, buddy.